Google Drive is a powerful cloud storage and collaboration tool, but using it effectively requires some planning and organization. Following best practices can help you keep your files secure, organized, and easy to access, whether you're working solo or with a team. One of the first best practices is to organize your files with clear folder structures and naming conventions. Use descriptive names for folders and documents, group related files together, and consider color coding important folders or starring frequently accessed files for quick access. This simple step saves time and prevents confusion as your drive grows. Collaboration is another area where best practices make a big difference. Always set appropriate permissions when sharing files. View only, comment, or edit, depending on who needs access. Use the mention feature in comments to notify team members directly and encourage version history checks to track changes. Keeping shared files organized in dedicated folders helps prevent clutter and ensures that everyone knows where to find what they need. Using search effectively is another key practice. Google Drive's search functionality is powerful, allowing you to search by file type, owner, keywords, or even text within documents. Learning to use these search features can drastically reduce the time spent looking for files. Additionally, take advantage of integrations with Google Workspace apps like Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms to centralize your work and streamline collaboration. Security and backup practices are equally important. Enable two-factor authentication for your Google account. Regularly review sharing permissions and use offline access wisely for important files. Setting up consistent backup routines, especially for critical documents, ensures you can recover data if anything goes wrong. Finally, take advantage of automation tools and shortcuts. For example, connecting Drive to workflow apps like Zapier or Slack to automatically save attachments or update shared folders. By following these best practices, Google Drive becomes more than just a storage space. It becomes a central hub for productivity, organization, and secure collaboration. Proper setup and consistent habits ensure your files are easy to manage, easy to find, and safe for yourself and your team. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on Google Drive, productivity tools, and ways to make the most of your digital workspace.